Good morning to one and all. My name is Mankanta. I am studying in 9th class. I am from Akash High School. Today I am telling about Indian space. The Indian space program was done by the ISRO. It started on 1962 of spacecraft of Aryabhatta on 1975. Chandrayaan 1 launched on 22 October 2008 and Chandrayaan 2 failed. Chandrayaan 3 launched on 23 August 2023 and Chandrayaan 3 was successfully launched on the moon. Chandrayaan in divided in Hindi. Chandra means moon and Yan means spacecraft of moon. Thank you.